subsequent to the Governor DeWine's executive order to close the bars and the restaurants, as well as the recommendations made by the White House and the CDC and the local public health officials, the Board of Mahoning County Commissioners are issuing a public notice of the temporary changes to the public access to county government services. These temporary changes are being made in an attempt to address the current COVID-19 public health crisis, wherein an aggressive response is necessary to control the spread of the virus. Closures and limitations in public access to county services are based on what is being considered essential services. The care and the safety of the public and our employees is of the utmost concern to the board, as well as the rights of all individuals subject to county authority. The following is the most updated information regarding access to county offices and related services. Updates to this information may be necessary and may change daily as situations develop and new information is available. While most of our offices will remain open to the public for now, we ask that in the best interest of the community, only essential business with the county be conducted in person. And when necessary, physical proximity and personal hygiene recommendations be followed.
Just an update with Mahoning County. We currently do not have any cases in the county. There are 50 confirmed cases in the state of Ohio, and they are in a total of 12 counties right now. All this information is being continuously updated through the Ohio Department of Health's website, which is coronavirus.ohio.gov. All of the latest guidance from the Ohio Department of Health is on that website, so I encourage all residents to utilize that website, and there is information for every type of question that could be out there. So with that, the recommendations are to encourage social distancing as much as possible. So to remain in any setting as much as possible, limit your exposure by distancing yourself by up to 6 feet away from other individuals. We have distanced the setup of this room to space out the chairs in this room. So moving forward with county offices, I'm not going to hit on every county office, but I will hit on a number of them that have specific changes. But all of this information is going to be available on the county website, which is mahoningcountyoh.gov. And I also encourage any citizen that has business to be conducted with the county, please call ahead to the respective department or agency to receive the information, the latest information, if they have public counters open, if their lobbies are open, what their alternative options may be to conduct business. So with that, the commissioners' public hearings, the commissioners have to hold weekly meetings, and the hearings are going to change slightly with the seating here. We're also going to make available a conference bridge for departments and the general public to be able to listen to the calls but not physically be here. All this information will be available on our website. The Treasurer's Office has closed to public access, but they have not closed public capabilities. What they're doing is they have posted a number on the door to the Treasurer's Office, and if a customer or resident comes in and needs to work with the Treasurer's Office to do a pay-in, they're going to be encouraged to call the phone number. Somebody from the Treasurer's Office will come out, get the document, get the pay-in, take it back in, do the pay-in, and bring it back out, so that this way they can limit exposure in the public lobby of the Treasurer's Office. The Prosecutor's Office, the criminal and civil offices are closed to the public. Again, this is going to be the same for every county agency. We're pushing for social distancing where possible and to exercise precautions, so call in and check the website. The Juvenile Justice Center, the lobby has been closed to the public with the exceptions of proceedings deemed necessary by the court. Again, check their website. The Mahoning County Justice Center, Sheriff Green has closed that down. He even closed it down last week, so that the lobby of the Justice Center is closed to the public until further notice. Check the Sheriff's website for that information. The highway engineer's office has closed to the public, however, checks can be accepted through the breezeway. The highway engineer's office does have a small breezeway where they have a divider where documents can be fed through the divider that way, but they are not allowing the public in at this time. The dog warden's office has changed up operations, and they have late hours on Wednesday and Saturday are suspended until further notice, but they are, at this time, the lobby is open for licensing and fees payments, 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday. But again, limit your exposure and proximity to other people. The Board of Developmental Disabilities, the Leonard Kurtz School has been closed for 3 weeks, and they're following all the schools in the state that have been closed for that time period. However, the community services offices as well as the center at Javits Court remain open for employees and clients. But please call the DD board office if you have any questions for them. And then lastly, in my office, the Emergency Management Agency, I'm very active in this, so if there's any questions, please contact my office where I can assist.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by...
I want to retire knowing we did it right. We want...
to know that it's been worth something.
It's worth everything.
Be intentional about your worth. Farmers National Bank Wealth Management.